guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the nature centre. Started off with a monkey. Really bad for this guy because he's sat on his own. He's really cute though. Hello. Next we've got an antelope. Hello buddy. Look at the colours of him. It's so cute. I noticed there's a big one at the back and it's got horns. Don't think I've ever seen an antelope before. So we found some capybaras eating their dinner.
Capybara.
Capybara. They are massive. Their butts look weird. They do look like big rats, don't they? But they haven't got the tails. Colours of this parrot. You can't even tell on camera. Oh, he's gone. So pretty. There's a wallaby, he's in his little natural habitat.
Yeah, it's man-made.
Going to John's Wood?
I don't want to go to John's Wood.
Don't want to see John's Wood? Not me coming in my fresh new shoes and there's puddles everywhere. I love seeing water like this. I feel like it's so calming. The neck's over there as well. I feel like David Attenborough today. There's George in his natural habitat. What is it? A lemur? Where is he? Ah, wonder where he's gone. Can't see him. In his house, in his little lemur house. He is as well. I think there's two of them. It's alright. You see him? Ah, little faces. I can't really see him very well. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, there's loads.
No, they're not stopped.
Oh, it's really cute.
What are they?
Yeah, it's really cute. Doesn't really say what they are, does it? Little armadillo. Oh, it's so cute. That's all this video is going to be. Oh, he's so cute. It's so fast.
slow. Oh, he's walking on the floor. This isn't right. Don't be like that. Most of them
Oh, it's an armadillo. Oh, God, that is so cute.
Do you want to go to Pied Tamarins instead? Huh? What are you saying? It's an island python.
Just around the corner.
I can't see it.
In between that gap there, in his body.
Oh yeah,
His eyes.
that's his little face. Pythons are so scary though, aren't they? Like if it wasn't behind this, I would not be looking at it right now. Look at his little scaly tail. What is it? Saharan what? Aroma sticks. Saharan aroma sticks. Saharan aroma sticks. Sounds like a sounds like a smelly.
No.
This one's a Jamaican boa. Look at the way it glistens in the back. It's got like purple and everything on it. Like a little rainbow coloured man. George is controlling my arm right now. Oh yeah, I can see him.
What's he said?
Don't like smacking his little house, but I can't see.
His head up there.
I can see him, he's just down here somewhere.
See on the top right. There we go.
Oh, yes, I see him. I don't think the camera's going to pick that one up. They're so far away, I think they're hiding. I feel really bad. I think we've got otters next. See what? Red pandas. Hmm? I'd like to see a red panda. It's actually half raining today as well, so I'm like trying to keep shelter at the same time as enjoying myself looking at animals. Outfit of the day, guys. Are the otters in that one?
In this one?
Oh. Hang it. Should we try and go around them?
Probably in their huts.
Maybe. Oh, is that them at the back? Oh, there they are. Oh.
They're on his back.
They're so cute. They're all rolling around having fun. We found a red panda. Can't really see him very well. Little eepy baby.
Cute monkeys.
It's got a little thing under his neck. It's got a little black patch under his neck. What's in this one? Oh, look, there's one there.
That's a baby. Right then. Look, tiny Luna. Oh, it's going to move there.
Another one over there. There's another one over there.
These days, that's the usual routine.
Look at them running around.
I think it depends on. Probably how many.
What is it?
What?
Binturong. I can't see it. It smells funny over here.
Look at the top there. Like literally.
Oh, yeah.
right
Can't see that on camera though, you can just see people. There they are. Little binturongs, but you can't really see them very well. They're in that little section there. Little emperors.
The big guys at the top.
Where's the one at the top? I
Just
can see
past
two
him.
of them.
Yeah, see them.
Oh, okay. Look at his bum. Got red on his bum. We're coming to the meerkats, which is the reason I came here. There's one.
Well, look, you can't sit in. There's one. Why is she standing around telling me where that's what to do? Come on.
Porcupine.
No, fine.
Is that? Oh yeah. I love meerkats so much. Just like the way they stand up on their little legs.
We're looking for
Predators.
yeah.
Did they take it in turn?
Yeah.
I thought they did. But he's burying the floor like that. About to make him drop. One day the person on there is just gonna fall. Person from meerkat. They're all having fun. Pulling all of the rock apart. Reminds me of Lion King. He's done. Not today. They're awake. They're so big.
Okay.
What? We was just about to leave. Oh, he's taking a piss. What?
How close are you?
Wow, look. Hello, buddy. Hi.
Don't block his light then.
That's so close. George, you're blocking his light. Look at him. What are they? Go well with these monkeys. Little red eyes. Looks like a mini gorilla. Oh, George, stop blocking his light. Tell him. You're going to tell him to stop blocking your light.
We'll come out with something like, oh.
So chilled. That's how I feel.
What are they, George?
Chilled out.
Lemurs.
No one, no one.
Big boy. They're so slow, aren't they? Oh, he's eating little grass. Nom 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 nom.
Is that shit?
What? Whoa! Jesus Christ! That's like the same size as him. They're all just swinging around everywhere. Oh, George! Oh, that little guy's chilling at the top, having in each other's legs. Hello.
Why was he so scared? I
He saw you look at him and he was like, whoa. There's an ocelot. It's a big cat. Where is it? Dang it. Missing a lot of footage over here. You think he's blending in? Yeah, I don't think he's there. Oh, look at these. They're not interested. Yeah, they're not interested. Look at the lynx cat. Sacred ibis or ibis. I don't know how you say that. I think they're quite cute. But no, he's more interested in the lynx, which is fair enough. They are quite interesting. Oh my goodness! Looks like a big version of Roxy. Don't it? Oh, the tail's really tiny, isn't it?
I'll fuck you up that one.
Yeah. Would have this.
Oh,
Oh, good, yeah.
it's an eye.
Oh, yeah, missing an eye. Oh, that's horrible.
This way. Free food.
Gorgeous little baby.
A single female, allowing for a sexually reproducing population to be produced. Apart from the genesis in this species was first discovered in 2005 at London Zoo, and then in 2006 at Chester Zoo, where females that had had no contact with a male dragon produced.
That one was a Komodo dragon. Is it an emu or an ostrich? He looks really mad that I just asked that question. He looks really mad that I just asked that question. He just stopped and looked at me. There's a what?
That one up there on top of the cover. Wow.
Whoa, pigeon. Whoa, there's
Right, so
loads.
real.
Oh, so they're not emus.
Probably from-
Maybe.
I'm currently staying at my nan's at the moment because she's not very well, so I'm seeing her quite a bit, so the videos won't be out as much. I am trying, so I'll get them out when I can. However, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and comment on what you want to see next, and I'll see you again very soon.